Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Don't you hate getting a bunch of business cards from people when you're networking? Today, we're going to show you how to create a digital and scannable business card. All right, we're going to do this all for free. So let's jump right in. Let's go to Canva and we're going to use a free account so you guys will see how to actually do this for free. Once you create a free account, this is the first page that you're going to see in here. You can create a business card from scratch, but we're going to use a template just to make this easy. But for the scannable ones, assuming that you want to keep this on a phone, you want to try to get one of these vertical things. All right, so we'll do vertical just to type that in there, see what it finds. And then this is all the stuff that we get. And this is like a two-sided card, and you'll see this one right here has a little crown on it. That means it is a premium template. Since I'm working off of a free template, it's not going to work. Can't use this. Let's just do this one for now. You can order this to be printed if you wanted to, but we're just going to use the digital version. For the digital version, I obviously will not need the opposite side, so I'm going to trash this. Now we have a picture. You can change this. So right now, if I delete it, I can do that. And when you see this little thing here, this little fake landscape, that just basically means that Canva is allowing you to put any other picture in here. So let me go in here and find a picture of a guy. So I'm going to pick they sure do have a lot of paid for accounts or premium accounts. I'll just use this guy. So I drop his picture in there. You see how it just kind of resized it? And then you can go ahead and change the name if you'd like. Joe Smith. You can put in the numbers, whatever you want to do. And then technically you don't even have to do any of this because we're actually going to go ahead and slap in a QR code. But if you want to keep the number, you can. I'm just going to get rid of this for now. You know, if I wanted to keep this, I can keep this, move this up, move this address up here, and then I can throw the QR code down here. QR code can be created by going to this address right here, qrcode-monkey.com, and it's free. And I would advise against. I created one where I had my LinkedIn, and some people didn't have LinkedIn on there, so you know it doesn't really work. The best thing to do is to create a V card. Right here, this is where you enter your content. Joe Smith. I'll put in a phone number. Okay, you can put in an email if you want. You can put in an address, all kinds of stuff, okay? So now once you figure all that kind of stuff out, come down here, you can change the color. So this is your preview. So this is a single color. If you click this, I can change it red. And if you go create QR code, you'll see that it changes to red. You can also change the color gradient, okay? So it goes from red to blue, and you can change the second color too if you want, but you get the idea here, right? If you'd like, you can add an image to the middle of this. So if I wanted to add an image to the middle of this, it would say Facebook, remove logo. You can change any of these deals right here. Eyeball shape, I believe, is this stuff. Let's just double check it. Yeah, it's right here. This is the eyeball shape. So there's a lot of customization that you're allowed to do. But once you create that V card, create that V card QR code, you can download it, save it to your desktop, go back to your business card, upload the QR code, and you You see that it was uploaded right here. Select it, resize it however you want, center it. See these little lines here. Canva allows you to center things. Makes it really easy. There you go. I could leave it like that. Hit share, download, save onto your desktop, and upload it to your phone or send it to your email, however you want. Set it as a background, and that way you could just hold up your phone when people say, hey, what's your name and number? What do you do for a living? Well, here, scan. And then you'll have all that right there. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below.